In this video, I'll show you how to upload a photo to your Instagram account. So first, to get started, you need an Instagram account, and if you haven't watched the video on how to do that, make sure to click the link in the description. Now that you're signed in, what you want to do is click in the middle of the bottom of the screen. There's this square looking like thing with a plus sign in the middle. Click that. Here's where you choose the photo that you want to upload. So right here, the first option is a video. This one here is a photo. If I wanted to select more than one photo, I'd click in the bottom right hand corner of the photo itself. There's an infinity sign to do a boomerang and a layout to do a mosaic or collage type thing, and then this one here, which allows me to select more than one photo at a time, but I only want this one here. We'll unselect that. At the bottom you can see it says gallery, which is the photos I already have. Photo means I can take a photo right now, and video means I can take a video right now. At the very top of the screen where it says gallery, that means I can choose different folders on my device, but we'll just stick with this one and click next. Here I have the option to either apply filters. You can see as I sweep across here, there are different filters you can apply, and they all have different styles, and you can just have fun with that. But I usually leave it as normal. Normal, and then click edit. Here you can have more control. So if you want to control the brightness, how bright the photo shows up, the contrast in the photo, I don't deal with structure, the warmth of the photo, so more yellow or more cool, and saturation, how vibrant the colors are. Let's see, and you can just have a lot of fun. So definitely go through and play around with these different features and adjustments. So if you want to rotate your photo, or if you just want to move it around a little bit, you press and hold down here and move it around here as if you're moving a manual camera to zoom in. So that's how you would do that. There are different options here. If you go in the top right corner, it will rotate by 90 degrees. We will click cancel because I liked the way it was set up already. We'll click next. Now here you write a caption. Here's our test, and you can post it to Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. We'll have a video on that later. Click share, and then your post will go live on your Instagram account. And you see it takes a little bit to show up, but there she is. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so now that we've learned how to upload, let's go ahead and delete this photo. Click the top right-hand corner. You can do a couple things. You can archive it, which will save it in your archive history for Instagram, or you can delete it entirely. We're going to delete it entirely. And if you have a product line, make sure to go to ladymora.com/biz. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It'll show you how to create the best product line you possibly can for your business.